Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to StudyNest. Today, coding has become a major thing in this virtual world. So, in today's video, I'm going to give you a brief intro to coding. So, without further delay, let's jump on to the video. So, what is coding? Now, if you talk to a computer in a human language, then the computer won't be able to understand it. So, how should we tell it to open Google Chrome and open Roblox and says to play Roblox? Yeah, so how will we tell it? Yes, we use coding languages. A computer script which tells how a computer should perform in a certain way, that is coding. Now let us understand the difference between coding and programming. These two are the major words which we hear every day or many times in the virtual world. Now, a coder changes the language of that thing to one language to another. Now, let's say I have given the coder something in English. He changes it into Java or HTML. Now, programming means to program a machine with a given set of instructions to run. Next. Now, you might have seen people coding with block coding, and you might have seen people typing the thing down like Java, HTML, and stuff like that. Now, let us see the types of coding. So, the types of coding are Java, HTML, C++, C++, and all those coding languages. Block coding is mainly used in Scratch. I mean, that's the only website which I know which uses block coding. But there are many more websites which uses block coding. So, in our later tutorials, we will learn how to code amazing stuff using simple code. So, meet you then in the next video. Goodbye.